Taylor Swift tried to help her close friend Blake Lively tone down her ballsy nature years before the actress' legal roller coaster with Justin Baldoni, insiders claim. The Gossip Girl alum, 37, is currently locked in a bitter battle with her bear. It ends with us co-star, 41, whom she accused of sexual harassment and launching a smear campaign against her in a bombshell lawsuit last year. Baldoni is now countersuing both Lively and her husband, Ryan Reynolds, 48, for $400 million and shocked the world when he dragged Swift into the explosive legal feud. The messy spat between Lively and Baldoni has seen her past behavior come under scrutiny as the public casts judgment with each new update. Insiders claim Swift had tried to advise her pal about going full throttle in the years before the saga. Taylor Swift admires that Blake Lively is a ballsy chick who speaks her mind, swears like a trooper, and refuses to be controlled by anyone, a source told dailymail.com. That's the real reason they bonded and became firm friends when they first met 10 years ago. They continued, Taylor saw her doppelganger in Blake. The main difference between them is that Taylor is more subtle. Blake has always gone full throttle about everything. She never holds back, and that's what has caused the tide to turn on her. Taylor has tried to help tone Blake down in the past, but she now knows it's never going to happen. They finished. Right now, while they're still close, there's a slight shift because of the It Ends With Us drama. Taylor doesn't like the fact that she's been dragged into it. In his lawsuit filed last month, Baldoni claimed Lively used Swift to intimidate him at a meeting with her husband about edits she had made to a rooftop scene. Baldoni claimed Swift made him feel like he needed to comply with Blake's direction for the script. Lively later appeared to threaten Baldoni by comparing herself to Game of Thrones character Khaleesi in a series of text messages in which she referred to Reynolds and her best friend as her dragons. A source previously told dailymail.com that the uncool and unnecessary description was a shock for Swift, who had never planned to be at the meeting, but arrived at Lively's New York penthouse to find it was still ongoing. For the time being, she is taking a step back from Blake because she doesn't want to get tangled in this more than she already has, which is far more than she ever needed to be, an insider told dailymail.com. Khaleesi, also known as Daenerys Targaryen and Mother of Dragons, is one of the main characters in Game of Thrones, which aired between 2011 to 2019. She was portrayed as a villain after descending into madness and turning to vengeance due to trauma and loss. A second source revealed at the time, Taylor has politely backed away from it all. She is conscious of her own image and hates that she was even mentioned. The idea of Swift pulling back came as a shock to fans of the pair, who have been friends for a decade, celebrating milestones together, with Swift even name-dropping Lively's children in her music.